Hi everyone, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. This is a weekly Forex forecast for the upcoming week starting from Monday 3rd of June 2024 and the week will end on Friday 7th of June 2024. So tell me everyone, how is it going? A very nice and beautiful chart of the dollar CAD right here in front of me, and this is the monthly time frame. So monthly time frame, I usually like to draw my support and resistance zones, levels, or to run my Fibonacci measurements based on the impulsive waves of the monthly time frame. So this is like a very beginner thing. Since on my previous videos I have got a lot of messages and most of you guys are asking me about these support levels and these resistance levels. So obviously support and resistance levels, if I tell you in simple words, Forex is nothing but just the support and the resistance levels. Even if we are dealing with the Fibonacci 61.8% retracement, still we can say that Fibonacci is a tool to find out our support and resistance levels depending on the trend that is going on in the market. So support and resistance is everything in the forex market. So for that what I usually do is, like, let's have a look at this monthly time frame of the dollar CAD and first see that, okay, where how this whole trend started, and we need to first of all identify that, okay, if this is a trend, when it started, how it started, and what type of trend it is. It is a bullish, it is a bearish, where is the impulsive waves, where are the pullbacks, where are the 61.8s, where are the continuation levels, lots of the things. I'm obviously not going into the details of that, but for now just have a look at it, that we had a very nice and fantastic bullish trend right here, like this. Just have a look at it. Market go up, came down, took a confirmation, went up, another confirmation, and a very strong rally towards from October 2012, yes, 2012, all the way towards 2015. That is like a very strong trend, and the only way you can understand the trend lines and the trends better is by following these higher time frames trend lines. Believe me, it will change your complete perception about the market and about your study as well. When you will be trading on the lower time frames, it will be fairly like easy enough for you to identify the buy and the sell zones. And as I said, forex is all about the buy and the sell zone. Now don't get bored, those of the traders who are right here for the analysis. So I will be discussing euro dollar, pound dollar, and dollar index especially, and dollar yen. So don't get bored, but this concept, since I have got a lot of the questions for this, so that's why I'm discussing. So the trend obviously was fantastically going up, and right here I have to find out my support and resistance level. So if I say this is an upward trend, okay, I have to find some sort of Fibonacci, and this is going to be the Fibonacci. Now if you understand my strategy, you will know that why I pick this from right here. So 61.8% retracement, market took a very fantastic bounce all the way from right here, and the date was Tuesday 1st June 2021. So if you go to my channel and search for my videos that I uploaded during 1st June till 30th June, you will easily spot this, that I have identified this, right? And then I became bullish from right here. I just want to show you the importance of the Fibonacci 618 right here. See, 61.8% retracement. So I left this trade right here near 61.8% retracement, and I think for a long-term trader, this much profit, that's too much. Let's have a look at this one. Then the market started to consolidate. Very simple and very nice looking and decent looking chart actually it is. So now this is, it became my resistance. Where is my support? Well, this is my master support, mother support we can say it. And the other one obviously is right here, this one. And check back this previous zone. Is there any sort of activity? Yes, there is some sort of activity. 1 2 3 months. So it was a fantastic market, gave us a breakout, a retest, a continuation. So you will remember from right here a sell, from right here a buy, a sell, a buy, a sell. Till at this point you must be clear enough. Now moving on to the weekly time frame, and the weekly can tell us some good stories. 1 2 3 and 4, almost 4 tops it almost created, and along with that one confirmation bottom right here. This is key part of my strategy, by the way, confirmation. So once it got a confirmation, we are now completely in a ranging zone right here. We are getting confirmations from the top, we are getting confirmations from the bottom, which means, clearly means, that it is now ranging. And during this range, where this price is trading at, this current price is obviously near the resistance zone where we need to sell the market if we are interested enough. Now moving on to the daily time frame, and here if we see, almost I think the selling opportunity that it was giving us, we almost took it. 194 pips, I couldn't trade it this one. Most of the clients did, who always like try to read charts and apply these calculators, Fibonacci's and this stuff, my strategy. So I say right here, this is going to be this future support. Now I'm not sure how strong it will be. I can only tell you that when the price will be trading right here, that how much stronger it will be. If I see some sort of rejections just like we did right here, right here, right here, then I will very easily be saying, okay, yeah, this is going up. Like, I mean, you can do it yourself as well. So a fantastic rally can be like spotted, and it can be actually traded on the lower time frames. If I go to the H4, let me go for you actually, you can see market is clearly gaining some sell momentum right here. So what the buyers can do and what the sellers can do, let me explain it again on the daily time frame, is that the sellers already took right here and they are keep adding more positions, like these are very tiny numbers right here, but right here if we see, market has to face another challenge right here near 1.36015. so now specifically if I want to know about this, I have to go back to the H4 and find out that okay, on the H4 maybe a break below, a retest, and a continuation to the downside of the market. You know, my strategy completely works on if and then thought process, right? If it happens, I am going to do that. Like if the market give me a move, I make plans for that, right? Easy. So this is the dollar cat received few comments and questions and WhatsApp DMs that I'm not discussing dollar cat. So here we go, and this dollar cat can be like a very good instrument for you, especially if you are trading the US oil and those other pairs, especially the US oil, crude oil. So since we have now discussed the dollar cat, let's have a look at the crude oil as well. Here we go. See, check back my previous videos and you will understand. I'm now going to delete this everything. Where did I say 67.0 something? I was bullish from right here. Now if we see right here, a very fantastic one, this is gaining on a monthly time frame, and obviously I can assume now this, since this is the highest point, so I can very easily announce it as a resistance for myself, like no hard and fast rule. But since I am a Fibonacci trader, so I will keep some of my equity right here. Some of equity, if I keep it right here, I can make some good profits for that. The actual buying zone should start from 50.60. The most of us will be thinking, nah, crude oil cannot come down, crude oil cannot come down. Well, it must be true, but right here, if we follow the Fibonacci, we say 50.60 is going to be our buying zone. But if for some reason market doesn't drop right here, we can easily become bulls right here. But these are long-term things, so let's now move on to the weekly. And on a weekly, yes, fantastically the market is doing very fine, and soon it will be near this level where it has to prove that okay, either it is going to become a very fantastic support right here, a very fantastic support, and obviously this 75 support can give fantastic profits as well. People who are having stop losses below this can actually make even lots profits as well. Since like this whole much profit I gave you in the videos, this 87, and now the market is coming back for the retracement, so some sort of bullishness will always be there. 50 point, like till 50, if it needs to drop on the daily, we can observe this 75 level, 72 level, and to the least 67 level. If the market drops below, then 50 is going nowhere. We can again make fantastic profits. So let's see New Zealand US dollar, because I also receive a lot of messages for it. On the New Zealand US dollar, if we see, market sort of like gained a bullish momentum and completed this wave right here, which obviously according to the ABCD pattern, this is going to be repeated right here in the longer run. And let me also highlight this area, because in future it is going to be a fantastic resistance zone for us. So this has became a support, and that becomes our resistance on the weekly time frame. And obviously on the daily, if we see, even on the weekly it can be spotted, there is a very fantastic trend the market is or has established, followed by if I go in more depth, followed by a fantastic triangle as well, and yet the market has to break it as well. But obviously the end point and the end result is going to be 0.68092 according to this plan. Unless price closes below 0.58000, then it will be continuing. That will be some other story, but currently at this particular moment, since everything is going to happen, what the traders obviously can do is find an opportunity for themselves. If the market give a sort of a relaxed kind of a break or a pullback towards 0.618, well, can become a fantastic buying zone right here, and a fantastic support zone as well, and traders can make good profits actually. And if the market continues up, then we can do nothing but yes, then the market has to break up above, then retest, and then this will be our buying point. Like this, see, this is going to be broken first, then the market has to create this as a, or validate it as a, like a broken level should be validated by the price. In what way? In this way, it should be validated for a bullishness, and it should be validated as a support. These are the rules of the forex. So fantastic opportunities right here as well on the New Zealand US dollar. Now going to the main thing, and that is then the dollar index. Most of you remember, and even I don't want to discuss this point B level is not that much important for us now, so I'm going to delete it. And just as I said, market is going to drop from 106.553. Market once was going to retest it back in September, but it could not. So that retest was pending. Market successfully did it. Almost market was like right here till 61.8% retracement. And if I highlight it, it created a sort of support right here, a fantastic one, and seems like some sort of bullishness back towards 106.57. If we see that on a daily time frame, then the accurate selling point for the dollar index will start all the way from 105.69 during the week. If everyone knows those rejection candles, if forms on the H4 or H1, can become a fantastic zone, and you can rely on it for other analysis as well. So right here, pound US dollar, first of all, if we see the previous plan right here, I just want to go through it a little bit, and I just want to see that what I was discussing previously. And this is an exclusive weekly forecast, by the way, so including all of the investors, day traders, everyone right here. So right here, market has established a very strong trend line all the way from July 2014. It is on a downward trend, and price is like at a very key level, my friends. If it break, it will be crashing to the top, because this is not an ordinary trend line, believe me, right? So obviously, let's have, since this is not going to be an ordinary level for us, then what we actually can do right here, let's study this chart and let's have a look at it. Just study this chart. Market, a very nice support was established, a new story was created right here, followed by a fantastic 61.8% retracement right here, followed by a fantastic breakout as well. And right here we have got the first ABCD pattern, completion of the trend. So the trend was established and then it dropped towards the sad level 1.23000. You can check back the previous videos because I was clearly on this plan, right? So let me extend it. This is going to be a support. Whenever I say a support zone in my videos, it means supports are supposed to be buying zones and resistance are supposed to be sell zones. Okay, everyone? Market did some sort of trick with all of the Fibonacci traders, and it's normal, it's okay. We made this much profit, and that's why I suggest all of the Fibonacci traders that leave some profit for the market. Let the market take it. Don't be too greedy. So to those of you whom I said to everyone to close this at 359.2 pips, this much is enough. In how much time? From all the way April 3rd 2024 till Thursday 16th, around a bit more than 4 or 5 days and 1 month, 35 days you can say. Fantastic profits everyone made from their investments, big accounts and big profits on the long term. Now the market did a very tricky thing, and according to that tricky thing, let me search for the image. If I have it, I can display it all of you, though it is a very premium stuff, but anyways, let me see if I can display it. No, this is not that one. Yes, this is. See, this is a downward trend right here where the market did not respect its 61.8% retracement and completed at point B. X to A, then A to B, then the C, then C to D, and D was completed. So a bearish one as well right here. Now let me hide it where it is. Okay. Now let me show you this right here, and if you see, it broke 61.8% retracement, and which means now market seems to be testing 1.31000. But my friends, I'm no way interested in this particular trading setup, but for you I'm just explaining it. If there we get a chance and by chance if the market drops, since there the dollar index is showing bullishness, so by chances if it drops, this is going to be a perfect buying zone or a support zone right here, and we can make fantastic profits if we take a buy from here. But only the lucky traders will get it. Buying at this particular level, no, I cannot suggest it at all. Euro US dollar, what I said in my previous videos, this was point C right here. What it did is it gave us this extended leg right here till here, so we exited the trade with point C, and that was completely fine. And we entered into another trade right here with stop loss right here, so we made good profits from here till here, around 169 pips on a daily time frame. And then what happened is, out of that 169 pips, around 70 pips we gave back to the market, but anyways it was good. And you will remember when I was discussing this bullish wave, so how much this one gave us right here, I entered, I mean the clients and everyone, 163 pips again we made. And now this week Euro US dollar seems to be very simple. Just have a look at it. According to the previous plan, but according to the previous plan, it is also showing that it is a bit closed above 61.8% retracement, and then a bit closed below the 61.8% retracement. So pound dollar, euro dollar, no my friend, the profit that I was supposed to make from it, I made. Now I want to stay a bit neutral, right? Gold, my friends, gold is very simple, no very rocket science in it right here. A very simple, first 61.8% respect and expected support right here, and another a bit long term, and that one is right here. So let's see if we get a buying opportunity right here. I'm definitely going to be giving a call to every client to go for a bullish buy. And just have a look at it. I found this with a Fibonacci. If I extend it, this level has been acted a very strong 1, 2, 3 and around 4. This time it didn't work because it was obviously going to be broken. And if I include this as an impulsive wave, there will be something that can amaze you. And for that, just have a look at it right here, and somewhere closer we have got 61.8% retracement. Move on to the daily time frame, and on the daily, market exactly created this top, but obviously this little trend we cannot ignore it. And the strategy part that I just have shown you, make sure in that the market has to break it, and then you can trade it to the lower side of the market. So this was the weekly forex forecast, my friends, and I hope you makes lots and lots of profits. See, these markets are not very hard. How easily they gave us level, and how easily the levels are being respected. But the problem is inside the trader. If the trader cannot manage the greed, impatience and stuff like that, I'm fed of saying these things, but I have to. So I think this is enough for this week. If you guys have any suggestion, any feedback regarding the channel, please do give me that on the WhatsApp number and in the comment section down below as well. Plus, if you are interested to get back to me, this is my WhatsApp number, and if you are in any sort of problem, let's discuss it. Maybe let's find a solution together. Anyways, take a lot of care of yourself, and take a lot of care of your account equity as well. Very easy and simple market only if you can work with an experienced person. So take care till next week. I will see you next weekly forex forecast video. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.